Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the phone ready. Power it off and remove the SIM tray so nothing shorts. Once done, apply steady heat around the screen edge for 60-90 seconds to soften adhesive. Use a heat gun on low or a hair dryer. Make sure to protect the back with a thin cloth so heat disperses evenly. While the screen is warm, place a suction cup near the edge and pull gently to create a small gap for your first pick. Do this patiently to avoid cracking glass. Now you focus on expanding that initial gap. Insert a plastic pick and slide it slowly around the perimeter 1 centimeter at a time. Once you have an opening, swap picks to maintain tension and avoid prying near buttons or ports. If adhesive resists, reheat the adjacent section for 10-20 seconds and continue. Never force the pick deeper under the display. Make sure to stop before the top edge where earpieces or ribbon cables usually sit, and prepare to slightly lift the screen for connector access. You finish by opening the phone carefully like a book, hinge at the side opposite the connectors. Make sure to support the display and disconnect the battery first to reduce risk. Next, gently disconnect the display's ribbon cables using a plastic spudger and lift the screen away. Once removed, clean the frame of old adhesive and apply new adhesive strips or liquid adhesive as appropriate, then reverse the steps to reassemble. If the screen sticks or shows artifacts, check connectors for debris and reseat them. That usually fixes display issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.